In the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats, rogue domain controllers, or RDCs, are a formidable weapon for malicious actors. These imposters masquerade as legitimate domain controllers, wreaking havoc on Active Directory environments. The consequences can be devastating, leading to data breaches and network compromise. Understanding RDC attacks is paramount for security professionals. RDCs blend in with legitimate domain controllers, making them hard to detect. A multi-layered security approach is essential to combat these threats. The process of establishing a rogue domain controller typically involves a series of carefully orchestrated steps designed to exploit vulnerabilities within the target network. Attackers often begin by gaining a foothold within the network, typically through phishing campaigns, malware infections, or exploiting unpatched vulnerabilities. Once inside, they move laterally, escalating their privileges and gathering the necessary information to compromise Active Directory. Tools like DCS Shadow, a feature within the notorious Mimikatz framework, have significantly lowered the bar for attackers seeking to establish rogue domain controllers. DCS Shadow enables attackers to mimic the behavior of a legitimate domain controller, injecting malicious objects into the Active Directory database without raising suspicion. This insidious tool allows attackers to create rogue domain controllers on the fly, further complicating detection efforts. The attack process often culminates with the rogue domain controller replicating its malicious changes to other domain controllers within the environment. This propagation of malicious data can rapidly compromise the entire Active Directory forest, granting attackers widespread control over user accounts, group policies, and sensitive data stored within the directory service. While the tools and techniques employed in RDC attacks may seem sophisticated, the prerequisites for launching such an attack are often surprisingly straightforward. Attackers primarily require administrative privileges within the target Active Directory environment to successfully establish a rogue domain controller. These privileges can be obtained through various means, including compromising privileged accounts, exploiting misconfigured systems, or leveraging stolen credentials. In addition to administrative privileges, attackers need access to a system within the target network that can be used to host the rogue domain controller. This system could be a compromised server, a workstation, or even a virtual machine running within the network. Once the necessary privileges and a suitable system are secured, attackers can proceed with setting up the rogue domain controller using tools like DCS Shadow. The relative ease with which attackers can acquire the prerequisites for RDC attacks underscores the importance of robust security controls within Active Directory environments. Organizations must prioritize securing privileged accounts, implementing the principle of least privilege, and maintaining a well-patched and secure infrastructure to mitigate the risk of RDC attacks. Section 4. Traditional remediation, a game of catch-up. Traditional methods of detecting rogue domain controllers often prove inadequate against sophisticated attacks. CM systems, while valuable, may struggle to identify subtle signs of rogue domain controller attacks. Log analysis can be time-consuming and may not always reveal rogue domain controllers. Remediation involves isolating the rogue domain controller and cleaning up Active Directory. This process can disrupt business operations and require significant downtime. Traditional methods highlight the need for proactive, automated solutions. Organizations need tools for real-time visibility, detection, and automated remediation to minimize downtime and data loss. Section 5. Dela IEM, a new era of Active Directory security. Dela IEM represents a paradigm shift in Active Directory security, offering a comprehensive solution for detecting, preventing, and remediating rogue domain controller attacks. Leveraging advanced behavioral analytics and real-time monitoring, Dela IEM provides unparalleled visibility into Active Directory activity, enabling security teams to neutralize threats swiftly. It detects anomalous changes, including suspicious objects or critical setting modifications. Continuous monitoring alerts administrators to potential rogue domain controller attacks in real time. Automated remediation isolates compromised systems, reverts malicious changes, and restores Active Directory. This minimizes downtime and reduces human error, ensuring a swift response to attacks.